How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today we have for sale this absolutely stunning Triumph Thruxton R. 1200cc of pure sexiness. So it's a one owner bike, 2016 on a 66 plate. It's only done 2,454 miles. And they are a lovely, lovely looking machine. Old school looks, but lots of modern technology. So what do you get? You get ABS. Do you get traction control on these? I think you do. You get traction control. You get 3 different power modes. You've got the Brembo monobloc brakes, Brembo front master cylinder, Ohlins rear shocks, big piston Showa forks in the front, and just lovely, lovely looks. I mean, look at the tank, it looks gorgeous in red. The metal strip down the middle does look fantastic. You've got bar and mirrors. It's a one owner bike as well, and it is just stunning. Let's give her a quick start up. Oh, she sounds beautiful. Anyway, if you want this little bundle of joy, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just give us a call. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.